Oh man, I'm starting to look a little bit better in here. What's the kitchen area? Probably have a little island come in between that right there. It'll be like a little 18-inch, 36-inch dishwasher. Probably another 30 and something. Had an oven up over there. Got the gas line. Refrigerator over there in that corner. It's going to be the straight open concept. A ton of drywall right there. Got the doorway framed out right here for the front room. That vanity going in the master bath. A couple windows there, some more window work to do. Main bathroom. We making it work. We making it work. It's the linen closet right here. And these are steps go up to the 3rd floor. There go the bedroom. Closet number 1. Gonna have the glass sliding door. Get that ready for the deck. Closet number 2. About to pop this window in. And I'm waiting on the rafters to come on Monday. We're gonna get that up, and then we're gonna get that done. So yeah.